Mom and Christopher hanging out. And this, who's that? Who's that cute little guy? This is what Christopher likes to do these days. Christopher. Christopher. Ooh. Ow. It hurts. Now those are some cute people. There's a cute little guy. Whoa! Oh, he got me. He got me good. Oh, ow. Oh, are you being a silly? Oh. Oh, I love you. That's enough.